Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Miss Sylvia and friends. In this occasion, Group 10 will explain about fast food restaurant. Next. In this presentation will be explained by member of Group 10, that is Andika Shahrani, Satria Putra Pradana, Siti Nurjani Gustiati, Nadia Putri Intani, Zaza Sabila Putri, and Cila Mira Rashma Fadila. Next. In this presentation, we'll be discuss about what is fast food restaurant, atmosphere at fast food restaurant, special service at fast food restaurant, special rules at fast food restaurant, and menus at fast food restaurant. Next. For the first discuss will be explained by Satria. To Satria, the time is yours.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Satria Putra Pradana, and here I will explain about what is fast food. Fast food refers to food that can be prepared and served quickly. It can come from many places: sit-down restaurant, counter service, take-out, drive-thru, and delivery. Fast food is popular because the food is inexpensive, convenient, and tastes good. However, fast food is often made with cheaper ingredients such as high-fat meat, refined grains, and add sugar and fats instead of nutrition ingredients such as lean protein, whole grain, fresh fruit, and vegetable. Fast food is also high in sodium, aka salt, which is used as a preservative and makes food more flavor and satisfying. Is fast food bad? There is such things as bad food, but there are some food you should try not to have on a regular basis because fast food is high in sodium, saturated fat, trans fat, and cholesterol. It is something you should eat often. Eating too much over a long period of time can lead to issues such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and unwanted weight. Since eating a lot of trans fat can cause certain heart health problems. Okay, next.
Thank you, Satya, for your good explanation. To the next presentation will be explained by Zelsa. To Zelsa, the time is yours.
All right, thank you, Jenny, for the opportunity. My name is Salsabila Putri, and now I would like to explain about atmosphere of fast food restaurant. Fast food restaurant is even more casual than the other restaurant. The atmosphere is usually constructed to get customers in and move them out faster. The food and beverage menu is displayed with attractive image because it is the first thing the customers see when they want to order. And then the chairs are always made by plastic and molded, so the customers are only sit are comfortable for the short time. The restaurant is decorated in the bright colors to attract people at the first sight and then push them out after the short while. The food is designed to be quickly consumed for giving the customer little reasons to stay longer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Zelda, for your great explanation. To the next discuss will be explained by Nadia. To Nadia, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Jenny. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Putri Intani. Here I will explain special service in fast food restaurant. Today, the lifestyle that people choose and live is very modern. The lifestyle is in the form of things that are much more practical, easy, and efficient. Also, with lifestyle in terms of the need to consume food and drink. Here, fast food can complement the needs that are more practical. Fast food restaurants use this counter service. Guests order food or drink at restaurant. It doesn't take long as well as the long duration of serving. Most will be served immediately when we order. Make it more efficient in carrying out daily activity. Thank you.
Thank you, Nadia, for your good explanation. To the next discuss will be explained by Kila. To Kila, the time is yours.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Kila Almira Ramafadila. I will tell you about the special rules of fast food restaurant. Fast food restaurant usually use a self-service system when customers have to serve themselves. Okay, number one, I will tell you it's best to prepare your order before you get to the counter, so it doesn't take up time and so as not to cause queues. Number two, implement self-service and clean as you go. When you are done eating, arrange the cutlery, throw the food wrap in the trash, and put the tray in this place like the picture on the right here. Number three, take only what you really need. The condiments like chili sauce, tomato sauce, mayonnaise, or sugar. Next, number four, avoid bringing food from other place. Okay, even though fast food restaurant seems casual, bringing food from the other place is considered impolite. Okay, the last one, clean up immediately if something spilled. Okay, if the drink is spilled or the sauce maybe, you can call the busboy. Okay, I will return to the moderator. Thank you.
Thank you, Kila, for your great explanation. To the last discuss will be explained by Andika Rara. To Andika Rara, the time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andika Rarasharani, and here I will explain about the menus in fast food restaurants. At first, definition of menu. Menu is a list of food served to guests in the dining room. This menu comes from the French "le menu", or in English called bill of fare, as a guide for preparing a dish or food. Okay, next. Secondly, type of menu. One type of menu commonly used by fast food restaurants, namely, is a la carte menu. A la carte menu, or commonly known as the free menu or guest choice. A la carte menu can also be interpreted as a free menu based on the will of the guest or customer's choice, because it can choose the type of food according to its needs or choice without having to be bound by the rules of presentation, and food a choice that must start from appetizers to desserts. Features of a la carte menu is individual price, made to order on the spot. The presentation is faster and does not take a long time. Okay, next. Third is a la carte menu structure. There are four a la carte menu structure, namely is appetizer, soup, main course, and dessert. At first is appetizer. Appetizer is a food dish that has a slightly sour taste and is served in small portions. The condiments used to make the appetizer are first fruit like apple, pineapple, and others. And second is vegetables like potatoes, beans, carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, and others. And third is meat, like a fish or chicken. All of these ingredients will be processed using certain spices and seasonings so that they become delicious appetizers. The appetizer dishes such as seafood cocktails, sweet and sour spring rolls, Hawaiian chicken salad, egg mayonnaise Russian salad, and others. And the picture below is an example of an appetizer menu at a fast food restaurant. Okay, next. Secondly is soup. Soup is a type of dish that contains a lot of water or is runny. The basic ingredients for making this soup are chicken, beef, fish broth, and mixed with vegetables and other ingredients. As for example of this soup food like chicken soto, rice soup, fish head soup, laksa, and others. And the picture below is an example of an soup menu at a fast food restaurant, namely is chicken soup and puff pastry mushroom cream soup. Okay, next. Thirdly is main course. Main course is a staple food served to guests or often called a heavy meal. So this main dish usually consists of vegetables, carbohydrates, meat, and sauces. But this main dish can also be in the form of pasta types such as pizza, spaghetti, macaroni, and others. And the picture below is an example of the main course menu at a fast food restaurant by type, namely is pasta and pizza. Okay, next. At fourth is dessert. Dessert is the food that is served last after we eat the appetizer, soup, and main course. As for example of these desserts such as fresh fruit slices, banana split, ice cendol, mixed fruit ice dessert, and vanilla ice cream, and others. And the picture below is an example of the main course menu at a fast food restaurant. Okay, next. And the last is drinks that are usually served at fast food restaurant. Soft drinks, lemon tea, mineral water, as shown in the picture below. Okay, that's all I can explain about the menu at a fast food restaurant, and thank you.
Okay, thank you, Andika Rara, for your good explanation. Next, there is a interesting picture about fast food restaurant. In the first picture, there is a food at fast food restaurant. In the second picture, there is a entrance design at fast food restaurant, and the last picture there is a design exterior by about fast food restaurant. Next. Okay, there is our presentation about fast food restaurant. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.